Let's now move on to the other big story at this hour. Now, with the other big story focus continues to be on India's Daughter, the controversial documentary featuring an interview with Nirbhaya's rapist and murderer Mukesh Singh. That became an issue for intense discussion in both houses of parliament today. Home Minister Rajnath Singh said in the Rajya Sabha that a restraining order had been obtained against the screening, but many members questioned the move. The government stressed that the documentary violated broadcasting norms and that there would be a probe into how permissions were given. But other MPs pointed out that talking about the documentary itself in situ was diverting the point from the primary issues, the horrifying attitude of men towards women across the country and the question of providing rapid and effective justice in these cases.
क्या ये चाहते हैं कि किन परिस्थितियों में आदेश दिया गया इसकी जांच न हो? क्या ये चाहते हैं कि इसमें रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फिक्स नहीं की जानी चाहिए? क्या चाहते हैं? और मैं आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं सभापति महोदय, मैं इस पूरे मामले की जांच कराऊंगा और जो भी इसके लिए रिस्पांसिबल होगा उसके ऊपर मैं रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फिक्स करूंगा। मुझे यह भी आश्चर्य है उपसभापति महोदय कि किन परिस्थितियों में यह आदेश दिया गया। मैंने यह कहा है कि इसकी मैं पूरी जानकारी चाहूंगा और जो भी अब तक का प्रोसीजर रहा है इस प्रकार के आदेश देने का, जरूरत पड़ी तो उसको मैं रिव्यू करूंगा और इस प्रकार से भविष्य में किसी को जेल में जाकर और इस प्रकार की रेपिस्ट का टेलीकास्ट करने की इजाजत किसी भी सूरत में भविष्य में नहीं दी जाएगी, यह मैं इंश्योर करूंगा। दिस डॉक्यूमेंट्री इंटर एलिया फीचर्स interview of one of the accused of the Nirbhaya case. It came to the notice of the jail authority that the permission conditions have been violated and hence a legal notice was issued to them on 7th April 2014 to return the unedited footage within 15 days and also not to show the film as it violates the permission conditions. Subsequently, the documentary film was shown to the jail authorities where it was noticed that the documentary film depicts the comments of the convict which are highly derogatory and are an affront to the dignity of women. It was also noticed that the film shown was the edited version and not the unedited as per permission conditions. Hence, they were requested to provide full copy of the unedited film shoot out for further review by the authorities and that they were asked not to release or screen the documentary till it is approved by the authority. Now, it has come to notice that on March 8, 2015, BBC 4 is going to telecast this documentary film. The government has taken necessary legal action and obtained a restraining order from the court disseminating the contents of the film. Our government condemns the incident of 16 December 2012 in the strongest possible terms and will not allow any attempt by any individual, group or organization to leverage such unfortunate incidents for commercial benefits.